First of all, I'd like to clarify that Gaahleri only provided the airbrush for review purposes. There was no payment or sponsorship involved.
One day, I got a message and an email from Gaahleri Airbrush. They said they wanted to send me an airbrush to try and asked for an honest review.
Not long after, this arrived. The GHAC Swallowtail Barbatos Rex version. Pretty cool name, right? The box is quite large, and the first thing I noticed was the build quality. It feels solid, everything is well put together. The trigger is soft and doesn't hurt your finger at all. Honestly, it feels just as good as many well-known famous brand airbrushes I've used. Inside the box, you get 3 needle and nozzle sizes, 0.28, 0.5, and 0.7 millimeters,
And 2 size of color cups.
plus a few spare O-rings. What I love most is that you don't have to screw the nozzles in. Just remove the front cap and pop in the nozzle you want. It's super easy and convenient. No tools needed, no risk of stripping the thread. Trust me, I've done that before. Now the highlight for me is the 0.7 millimeter nozzle. It's perfect for car model kits. You can use thicker paint, cover large surfaces quickly, and save both paint and thinner. Overall, I'm really impressed. This airbrush feels premium and the performance is solid. You get 3 nozzle options, so it covers most types of work. It definitely holds up well against high-end Japanese models. Of course, there are a couple of things to note. The price is a bit high compared to some famous brands, and if you're working on superfine details, a traditional dual-action airbrush might still be more precise than this trigger type. But for what I do, especially with cars and larger surfaces, this is a great option. It might just become my new go-to airbrush. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.